Hey, crypto trading friends, we have finally made it. This is video 17 out of 17, the very last video of my crypto trading for beginners series. And today we will be briefly talking about the next steps to take if you've been following along and learning all about crypto trading throughout this whole video series. But before we dive into the video, as always, for those of you who are looking for a solid exchange to trade crypto futures on and you would like to try the same exchange that I use on a daily basis, feel free to go ahead and try out the Blowfin exchange here with the link in the video description down below this video. Alright guys, so this one is going to be obviously a very short video for obvious reasons since it's the last video, but if you've been following along throughout the whole beginner series, then you've learned all of the bare basics of crypto trading, and this is an awesome start. In fact, most beginners do not even get this far because they just simply refuse to learn. But what's next? You might be asking what happens next. All right, how do you go from basic knowledge to building real trading skills? All right, this is where you take what this is where you take what you know about the basics that you've learned and you learn even more. All right, so what I want you guys to do next is just simply use ChatGPT or Google and learn more about everything from risk management, learn more about trading psychology, and more information about learning basic trading indicators as well. In addition to that, you guys are also going to want to dive deeper into developing a trading style that fits you the best, whether it's scalp trading, day trading, swing trading, or even position trading. And in addition to that, start logging your trades so that you can visually see what you're doing wrong and you can fix those mistakes early as well. And lastly, guys, you can start by studying up on various different trading strategies and testing them out to see which types of trading strategies fit your personality the best, your trading style the best, and your overall trading goals the best. All right. Overall here, guys, after learning the bare basics of crypto trading and naked charts, the next steps are all about building safety, building discipline, and your overall structure of being a crypto trader. All right, and the key here is to treat trading like a skill rather than a quick money grab. All right, you'll make huge progressional steps. You'll make huge progressional steps by doing that, and you'll eventually end up building a very solid foundation for yourself that will last for literal years by doing that. Okay. Now guys, before I go ahead and wrap up this last video, if you guys are serious about learning and you haven't already joined, then I'd like to go ahead and invite you to my premium crypto trading Discord server, where you can do things like ask me questions. You can get one-on-one help whenever you need it. You can see how I trade in real time. You can see my trading setups and get even more in-depth knowledge on trading in general. And you can find a link to join that in the description below this video as well. Outside of that, though, guys, this is the last video, so if you enjoyed this one and you feel like you got some decent value out of it, please be sure to go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like button below the video to help me out. And with that said, thank you guys for watching.